All right, here is the A minor etude. So we have no sharps, no flats. However, we do have accidental G sharps and F sharps. So like everybody look at measure 2 really quick. Even though that first G sharp is the only one marked, all of those fourth fingers are going to be extensions. And so because of that, your F sharp is going to be an extended second finger, so we can get that G sharp nice and high. Same as like we did with radioactive. Then look at measure 4, G sharp, A, B, A, G sharp, E, extended F sharp, pivot for that G sharp. Then we come back to first position, A, 1, 0, 4, 2, 0, 1, 2, 4. Okay, so that's that part. Now measure 9, there's two different schools of thought. So let's look at measure 8 really quick. 1, 3, 1, 0, 4, 0, 1, 2. Then shifting to first finger D, third finger E, first finger D, shift back, second finger C. That's one way to do that. So that would look like this. Here's measure 8. That's one way, or you could do it this way. Where you go second finger C to second finger D to fourth finger E. Either way works. There's not a wrong answer as far as shifting is concerned. There are some teachers that will argue that if you're using second finger here, you should really use a different finger here. Because you get more of a glissando when you use the same fingering here. So whichever way I do, it's not the right way, it's not the wrong way, you choose on that. Let me see if there's any other pitfalls on here. Oh, at measure 10, measure 11, you'll notice that you have that little itty bitty open D right there. What that shows you is that if you couldn't play the fourth finger D followed by the G sharp, that you would play the open D. We want you guys to actually play the fourth finger D on the A string. All right, so here we go. We're going to do a shorter bow, but a slower bow, so you can practice with me, and then at your, as you get the tempo faster, you can practice on your own. But this is our tempo, about 1 and 2 and ready and a set and go. Now, there is an alternative fingering for measure 11. That's probably better. What I did was I just did 4 with an extended 4. But again, some teachers will argue that that is not a good fingering, so. Where you would go to third finger D for that extension, and then a fourth finger. That way your fourth finger G sharp's already set up, and it's its own fingering. So anyway, there's A minor etude. Happy practicing, guys.